Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Setting. Scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the Instagram app. Now tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Then tap Reinstall the app. Now go back. Tap Background App Refresh. First of all, change it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Find out the Instagram app. Toggle off. After this, open Instagram app. Now you need to follow new people. After that, restart your iPhone. Now check your issues now. If none of these types work, try to reinstall the app and check after that your problem will be solved. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.